Class 2, English, Term 1, Lesson number 2, Work Life. Rearrange these letters to find the names of some professionals. Tailor, doctor, plumber, teacher, postman, cobbler. People work to earn a living. The skillful work people do is called their profession, and they are also called as professionals. Let's read about the profession of some people. Varun is a 6 years old boy. He lives in a house with his parents. He goes to school every day. One day, his teacher taught about professionals in the class. He didn't understand who were professionals and what do they do. So, he asked his mother about it. Varun: Mom, who are professionals? Mother: Son, a professional is a person who is involved in a specified activity as one's main paid occupation. Varun: Can you give me some examples of professionals? Mother: Take the example of your father. He is a doctor. He provides his services for getting income. All his income comes from the service he provides. Varun: Okay, now I understood. Thank you, Mom. Mother: If you want to know more about professionals, you can go to the park and talk to your friends' parents. You can ask what their profession is. In the evening, Varun went to the nearby park. He spots a lady sitting on the bench. Varun: Hello, ma'am. How are you? Lady: I am good, dear. How are you? Varun: I want to ask you a question. Lady: Yes, tell me. Varun: Are you a professional? What is your profession? Yes, I am a banker by profession. I take care of all the finance. My job is the main source of my income. I enjoy my job very much. Varun: Thank you for telling me this. Lady: You are welcome, son. Varun then moves on to look for another individual. He sees a man meditating in the corner of the park. Varun: Excuse me, sir. Can I ask you a question? Man: Yes, son. Go ahead. Varun: Are you a professional? What is your profession? Man: Yes, son. I am a driver by profession. I work at a taxi stand. I drive the taxi to take people to different places in the city. I work really hard to earn money. Driving taxi whole day makes me very tired by the end of the day. So, I need to meditate to relax. Varun: Okay, thank you for your time, sir. Man: You are welcome, kid. By then it was dark. He knew he had to return home in time or else Mom would get angry. When he was leaving the park, he saw a man near the gate. Varun: Good evening, sir. Can I ask you a question? Man: Yes, kid. Tell me, what is it? Varun: Are you a professional? What is your profession? Man: Yes, son. I am a professional pilot. I fly passengers aeroplanes. I love my work. Flying an aeroplane makes me fly like a bird. My job is to take the passengers from one place to another place by air. Varun: Okay, thank you, sir. After talking to 3 people, Varun rushed back home. Mother: So, Varun, whom did you meet at the park? Varun: I met 3 professionals today: a pilot, a taxi driver, and a banker. Thank you, Mom, for helping me to understand the term professionals in a better way. Varun is happy to know about these different professions. He keeps on asking people about their profession. Outline: Every occupation in the society is respectful and we all are dependent on each other. Concept: No work is big or small. The only thing which matters is how dedicatedly someone does their work. Meanings: The meaning of occupation is a job or profession. The meaning of random is happening without method. The meaning of banker is a person who works in a bank. The meaning of meditate is focus one's mind for a period of time. The meaning of finance is the management of large amount of money. Listening skills: Varun met with few more professionals. Listen how they introduced them to Varun. Hi, I am Rakesh and I am an LIC agent. Hello, I am Naval and I am a chief and I am a chef. Hello all, I am a mechanic and my name is Kuldeep. I sew shoes and my name is Meena. I am Ramit and I am a plumber. Speaking skills: Read the following sentences aloud. Mr. Joey: What do you do for your living? Mr. Ronit: I am a plumber. I have a shop at Oxford Street. Mr. Joey: A plumber? You must do a lot of work and get very dirty. Mr. Ronit: Yes, I do lots of work. Every day I fix lots of pipes and taps and it takes a long time to get cleaned after work. Mr. Joey: That is really interesting. How many taps do you think you fix in a day? Mr. Ronit: On an average, I probably fix about 20 taps every day and I get tired. Literature: Answer the following questions. Who is a professional? A professional is a person who is involved in a specified activity as one's main paid occupation. What did Varun's mother suggest him to understand more about professionals? Varun's mother suggested him to go to the park and talk to his friends' parents to understand more about professionals. How does a doctor earn money? A doctor earns money by treating the patients. How does a taxi driver earn his living? A taxi driver earns his living by driving the taxi and taking people to different places in the city. Writing skills: Fill in the blanks. I fly passenger aeroplanes. I take care of all the finance. Varun is happy to know about these different professions. He provides his services for getting income. A professional is a person who is involved in a specified activity as one's main paid occupation. Writing skills. Match the following. Good matches with evening. Passenger matches with aeroplane. Different matches with places. Main matches with source. Taxi matches with driver. Opposites. The opposite of small is big. The opposite of near is far. The opposite of sitting is standing. The opposite of corner is center or middle. The opposite of different is same. Fill in the missing letters to complete the names of the profession. The missing letters in the word teacher are E, H, and R. The missing letters in the word banker are A and E. The missing letters in the word doctor are O, C, and T. The missing letters in the word pilot are I and O. The missing letters in the word driver are R and E.
If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon.